Salut tout le monde, j'espère que vous tous allez bien. Je m'appelle Moksha et vous êtes à Language Fluent. Hey linguists, hope you're doing well. My name is Moksha and you're watching Language Fluent. So today we will be learning about last group of verbs, that is RE group of verbs. If you haven't watched my last two videos, please do watch it. I've explained there regular ER group of verbs in first video and regular IR group of verbs in second video. If you don't know about verbs in French, I will explain it to you. Verbs in French are known as les verbes. Les verbes. They are divided into ER group of verbs, IR group of verbs and RE group of verbs. Now in French, verbs ends with either ER or IR or RE. Now these verbs are further divided into regular and irregular verbs. Regular are known as régulier, régulier. Irregular are known as irrégulier, irrégulier. So today we will be just focusing on regular RE group of verbs. So to know the basic conjugation of regular RE group of verbs, please watch this video till the end. Now let's look at the rules to conjugate regular RE group of verbs. So the verb is attendre, attendre, which is to wait, to wait. We write subject pronouns as it is. Subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Now take the verb attendre as it is. So from here we cut RE. We eliminate RE and the word we get is ATTEND. So we write ATTEND and we add endings. We just add endings. So we write ATTEND to each and every subject pronoun. And the endings for RE group of verbs are S, S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. For je we add S, for tu we add S, for il, el there is no ending. For nous we add ONS, for vous we add EZ and for il, el we add ENT. Now another rules are in je form we add apostrophe as the verb starts with vowel. So here je has E but I haven't written E because E and A are vowels, and when two vowels in je form clash together, we don't write E, instead we add apostrophe. And over here in nous, vous and il, elle form, when the verb has a vowel, when the verb starts with a vowel, we have liaison. Liaison means sound Z. So the pronunciations are j'attends, tu attends, il, elle attend, nous attendons, vous attendez, ils attendent, elles attendent. The sound Z. So these are the endings for regular RE group of verbs. So as we know the rules to conjugate regular RE group of verbs, let's try to apply that rule. First verb is vendre, vendre, which is to sell, to sell. Again we write subject pronouns as it is. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. From vendre we cut RE. We cut RE and the word we get is VEND. So we write VEND to each and every subject pronoun and at the end we add endings to it. For je we add S. For tu we add S. For il, elle there is no ending. For nous we add ONS. For vous we add EZ. For il, elle we add ENT. So it becomes je vende, je vende, tu vendes, il, elle vendent, nous vendons, vous vendez, il, elle vendent. For example, je vends des fruits, which means I sell the fruits. the second verb is répondre. Répondre, which is to reply. To reply. We add subject pronouns as it is. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. From répondre, we cut RE and we get REPOND. So we write that to each and every subject pronoun. And we add endings. S, S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. So it becomes je réponds. Tu réponds. Il, elle répondent. Nous répondons. Vous répondez. Il, elle répondent. For example, il répond vite, which means he replies fast. Now, the third verb is perdre. Perdre, which is to lose. To lose. Again, we write subject pronouns as it is. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. From perdre, we eliminate RE and the word we get is PERD. So we write PERD to each and every subject pronouns and we add endings. S, S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. So the pronunciation becomes je perde. Tu perds. Il, elle perdent. Nous perdons. Vous perdez. Il, elle perdent. For example, il perd son travail, which means he loses his job. The fourth verb is entendre. Entendre, which is to hear. To hear. Again, we write subject pronouns as it is. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Then from entendre we cut RE and we write ENT, END to each and every subject pronoun and we add endings to it. S, S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. Here again in je form I haven't written E because E and this E from verb entendre which starts with vowel, two vowel clashing each other at je form, we eliminate E and we add apostrophe and here S and vowel. So we have liaison. So the pronunciation becomes j'entends. J'entends. Tu entends. Il, elle entendent. Nous entendons. The. Vous entendez. Ils entendent. Elles entendent. For example, elle entend la cloche, which means she hears the bell. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video and have also learned how to conjugate regular RE group of verbs. Please hit the bell icon which is there on your YouTube app to never miss on our updates. Also hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. For registering to full courses at Language Fluent, please refer to the description box which is there below. You can refer to the contact number or you can simply fill the form which is there in the description box. We also provide translator and interpreter services at Language Fluent. So hope to see you guys in next lecture. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much.